Hello and welcome back. Have you ever wondered what the process is to get your dogs from the house to the trail? In this video, we will show you our process and what it takes to get the pack out on the trail. The dogs have learned that when we load the car, they will go mushing. Therefore, we start by harnessing them first. That way they remain a little more calm. As you can see, they are still pretty excited. Next, we load the car. This was before we purchased a roof rack, so the sled had to be loaded inside the car with the dogs. Before you leave on any mushing outing, be sure to pack water for the dogs as well as yourselves. Check your lines for any damage and fix them before you leave. This could make or break your day. And of course, most importantly, the dogs. Once we arrive, we set the sled up and attach the lines. Then we take the dogs out, hook them up, do one last check of everything, and away we go. We thought this video would be interesting and maybe even helpful to some of you that were just getting into the sport. We hope you enjoyed, and thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already.